All right, y'all, I'm back. Okay, I just didn't want no dirty laundry. So I'll tell y'all about it tomorrow. Okay. All right, now I'm gonna call Randy and wish him a Merry Christmas. Okay.
Hello?
Hey, what's up? Merry Christmas, bro.
You too, bro.
All right, so what you doing today?
Right now, you we about to go to my people's house.
Oh, everybody going?
Yeah.
Oh, I was gonna stop by at first, but thank you for letting me know.
Yeah.
Nobody gonna be there?
Nobody gonna be there.
Okay, gotcha. Okay, so what? Oh, they live across the river?
Yeah, someone called them. I don't know.
All right, never mind. We ain't gonna go that further. Okay, so anyway, well, I would actually if you got something for Christmas, but you ain't got nothing, huh?
Nah, I ain't got nothing.
You got coal, huh?
I ain't got nothing.
Yeah, say, ladies and gentlemen, Randy TV got coal for Christmas.
Yeah, but look, Adam and Lily, bro.
All right then. Yeah, he ain't got nothing for Christmas but coal. You understand? I got coal for Christmas somewhat. It was Blair's fault. It was Dominique Henry's fault. You know, and Kirsten and Erica and some of them. So I got coal for Christmas, folks. So it was all their fault. You know. Okay. So Randy TV about to go somewhere. You know. So. I ain't want to get in no details or nothing, you know, so, hey, what the hell, okay? So, anyway, I'm about to relax a few, and I'll be back. I'll probably still be in the studio, or I'll be gone, okay? All right.